We live in a fool's world. And we are all schooled to believe that these doctors are all gods. They are here for our good. There are gods among doctors. But Ayurveda has also said, doctor, when you start getting money, Vaidyarajo namastupyam, I salute you. Why? Yamaraja Sahodara, you are the brother of Yamaraj. Don't feel bad. I am very proud because Yamaraja is the only man who is not corrupt and who treats everyone equally. Absolutely equally. So it's proud. But the second sentence is a little thick. Yamastu harati pranan. Yama only takes life. Vaidyo pranan dhanane cha. You take both. This is the problem. So otherwise, then so much so, doctors have lost all their credibility even in the West now. I was telling Nadkarni Saab, I think, yes, Nadkarni Saab I was telling. You must all read this article. It is free in the internet called Death by Medicine. Read that. Death by Medicine. The first author's name, madam, is Gary Null. This is in a very difficult journal. You won't get it in the journal because you have to pay for it. But it's free on the internet. Somebody has put it in the internet. Virus. Put it on the internet. Read it in there. And you will get real good idea. If you want to read a respectable scientific journal itself, there's an article called Is US Medicine the Best in the World? Read it. Is US, United States Medicine the best in the world? Okay? Article. Author's name is Barbara, Barbara, Barbara Starfield, Starfield, Starfield. And the journal is freely available on the internet. It's called JAMA, JAMA, Journal of the American Medical Association. Year is 2000. Write down 2000. Semicolon, volume is 284. Colon, page is 483. Go and read that today. You will get a shock. American medicine is the worst in the world, and we are aping American medicine. Number one. Number two, America, doctors and medicines are the leading cause of death. You get that? And cancer and heart attack come after that. Still, we want to be American. Today, the craze for America is such that I was telling the doctors in Hinduja Hospital this morning, today, if you want to go for a consultant's this interview, you must have one special qualification. You may be a FRCS, MRC, nothing. PTA. You know what PTA is? Feed to America. Unless you have gone to America for training for at least 1 year, you are not the ideal candidate for appointment as a consultant. So everybody is there, 10 candidates sitting, everybody is anxious whether there's only one post vacant. That's it. Are you a BTA? Are you a BTA? If anybody is BTA, this fellow will not go for the interview at all. He'll go home. If nobody is a BTA, then he says, I stand a chance. Let me try. So that is our because we are slaves. We have political independence, but not intellectual independence. We still think with the Western idea.